Hi, welcome to another episode of Hot Takes. Now, this is really just a heads up because tomorrow, the 15th, Wednesday the 15th, there's going to be a court case. And this is the one brought by Peter and Florrie Fanning. And these two absolute bloody heroes are taking the Scottish government to court over the UK government's decision to only issue winter fuel payments to pensioners on means tested benefits rather than to each and all of them. And they're having their court case heard tomorrow. And we want to really give them all the luck we can. The final hearing this is the final hearing in the legal challenge they brought against the government, against this cut, because they haven't done impact assessments and things like this. It's in Edinburgh's Court of Session. And this pair from Coatbridge are standing up for, well, millions of people across the whole of the United Kingdom. Even though it's under Scottish law, it will give a precedent. It will give a direction should the same case be heard in England and Wales. Now, more than 10 million people over the state pension age, including 850,000 alone in Scotland, are missing out on this year's winter payment. And of course, this is a lot of money to some people. I mean, given how cold it's been of late, I mean, this could make the difference between life and death. Indeed, the government's own figures said there's about 4,000, a minimum of 4,000 people will likely die as a result of it. So they've known that this will cause death and have done it anyway, and therefore they must be guilty of manslaughter at the very least. I would suggest even murder if they're knowingly doing it. Now, Joanna Cherry, KC, she is taking up the cudgels on behalf of these two. Excellent, good to see. She is obviously a very intelligent woman, legally minded and all that. And she is pushing for this to happen. Now, we don't know what the result will be. Obviously, the case will be heard tomorrow. It's going to be the judgment won't, or it's very unlikely that the judgment will be tomorrow. The hearing will be heard. The judge will go away and ruminate. But if the judge finds in their favour, then it means that the cutting of the winter fuel allowance will be deemed illegal. And at that point, every pensioner will have to have their money handed over to them. And of course, this will be another humiliation for a woman who's already, if not even on the brink, is leaning over the cliff ready to fall. That, of course, being Rachel Reeves. This happens, I think this could be the straw that breaks the camel's back, and she will be let go and she will plummet to her doom. Such is politics, eh? 6 months. Screw the country, screw the pensioners, looking to screw the disabled, screwing everybody, because she literally hasn't got a clue. And they're all trying to save her. They're all trying to say, oh, yes, maybe she wasn't an economist at the HBOS, but she was an economist at the Bank of England. No, she wasn't. She was a trainee economist at the Bank of England. If you're going in for an operation, you don't want a trainee surgeon, do you? You want the best damn surgeon you can get. And that's the difference. Now, if the decision goes the right way, the government will be liable. It's going to be billions of pounds across the whole country. They don't know how they're going to afford it because they've already put themselves hundreds of billions into the hole, especially with the rise in the interest rates that they're forced to pay. So it's all fun, isn't it? It's all fun. But we'll have to suck it and see. Now, obviously, court case tomorrow. As anything happens, I will bring the news on this one. But fingers crossed, best of luck. Let's all back Peter and Florrie and hope that they emerge victorious. Thanks very much. Bye.